So Chris, when we work with our partners, 9 out of 10 of them are international or at least national here in the country, multiple locations, multiple products, and just more large scale national accounts. Last year, I got to work on a personal project with the family business. Grew up at 5 years old, had a restaurant. My parents bought a restaurant, and since 5 years old till now, have owned that restaurant. My parents working at it, and last year just took it on to basically renovate it using the resources, team, products that we offer here at Ideoli, and just kind of do a nice family restaurant. It was more of a pet project for myself, but using our team. Chris, talk about it just internally, how it was treated, even with the team, like it was a multinational account, and the way, we helped pick the materials and all that, just bringing it all together.
It's always exciting, obviously, to bring family into what you do, right? Like everyone here at Ideoli, we all say family first. We're truly, I know you're a mama's boy just like me, so to be able to help our families is tremendous from the start, right? But
sure. The
cool challenge with your family's restaurant was just all those little pieces to do furniture and lighting and faux plants and the bathroom fixtures and just all these little details, tie all that in, bring it all into one shipment so it's all coordinated, it all shows up at the site at the same time, to be on site and help coordinate where things go with the contractors and this and that. I mean, it was really sort of a case study,
Right.
An initial case study of what we're doing now with our full bids that we're doing across 600 unit multifamily complexes.
Absolutely.
So it was a lot of fun. It was definitely a learning experience. And then, obviously cool for you, I'm sure, just being a family side.
Totally cool. And just seeing, my parents and, patience. I just said, hey, have patience. This isn't top priority on a timeline. We're going to get it to you. And then just seeing it done. And then just all the customers after that, just, it's proud, right? Family business, just proud. But it's cool being able to tie my business, our business here with the family business and just kind of bringing that to life. It was just a cool experience.
Absolutely. And yeah, it's just from the team as well, being able to help each other out. It was like a good morale booster. Everyone was into it. It was just a really fun, exciting project to work on.
Amen, brother. Amen.